Alright, Coco, come in. It's too cold for outside, so let's see if you can figure out how to get it in the house.
Oh.
Come on, Coco, bring it. Come on, hurry. She's just getting frustrated now.
Get your toy.
Get your toy.
Bring it in the house. Come on, get your toy.
Get your toy. Bring it in the house.
Get the toy. Good girl.
Good girl. Get your toy.
Come on, get the toy.
Get that toy. Trying to use her feet.
Get the toy.
Come on, get the toy.
Get your toy.
She wants us to carry it, probably.
Pick it up.
You gotta get it.
Get your toy.
Come on, get that toy.
Get your toy. Come on, get that toy.
She brought it to the door for us. Well, we had to carry it in. All she